Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites and initializing the project. Install Node and create a React app, then add an HTTP client like Axios or plan to use Fetch. Once done, secure your API credentials by placing keys in a env, local file and referencing process. Env, not hardcoding. Make sure to set React app prefixes for Create React app. Create a services folder now so you can centralize requests. This reduces repetition and makes later testing and changes far easier. You now implement the request layer and integrate it into components. Create an API client file that sets base URL, common headers, and interceptors if using Axios. Then write reusable functions for get, post, put, delete with try/catch and sensible timeouts. Next, build a custom hook such as use API or use fetch that returns data, loading, and error states. Once complete, call the hook in components using use effect for initial loads and event handlers for updates to keep UI responsive. You finish by wiring responses to the UI and handling edge cases. Render loading spinners, show clear error messages, and display data once ready. Ensure authentication flows work. Attach tokens, refresh them automatically, and force logout on invalid tokens. Test all endpoints and use mocks for unit tests so you don't rely on live APIs. One key troubleshooting tip: if requests fail in browser, check CORS and correct base URL. Often a mismatched protocol or missing access control allow origin header is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.